Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the incredible world of Moringa. You might have heard whispers about it, but trust me, you have no idea how much of a game changer this plant actually is. We're talking about a superfood that's been hiding in plain sight, and today, we're going to uncover all its secrets. I've spent weeks researching this, talking to experts, and even trying it out in every way imaginable, and what I've found is absolutely insane. This isn't just another health fad, guys. Moringa is the real deal. A nutritional powerhouse that could revolutionize your health, your energy levels, and even your skin and hair. So if you're ready to have your mind blown and discover a natural secret that people have been using for centuries, you're in the right place. Stick around to find out why this superfood is taking the world by storm. I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without Moringa. Let's get into it. This is going to be epic. Alright, let's kick things off with where this incredible plant even comes from. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, isn't some new invention. This plant has been a legend for centuries, primarily rooted in parts of Africa and Asia. The Moringa oleifera tree, which is the most common species, is native to the sub-Himalayan regions of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan. But here's the crazy part. It's so resilient and adaptable that it now grows in many tropical and subtropical regions around the globe. It thrives in arid, sandy conditions where other plants might just give up. Almost every part of the Moringa tree is usable. The leaves, pods, seeds, flowers, roots, and even the bark. Each part offers unique benefits. In many cultures, it's been a crucial source of nutrition, especially in areas where food scarcity is a problem. The traditional uses are mind-boggling. We're talking about ancient healers using it for everything from boosting energy and treating infections to purifying water and enriching soil. This global footprint, built over thousands of years, underscores just how universally beneficial Moringa is. Let's dive into why scientists and nutritionists go wild for Moringa, its nutritional profile. This plant is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Moringa has more vitamin C than oranges. And that's just the start. It's rich in vitamin A more than carrots, plus vitamin E, K, and B vitamins. And minerals, more calcium than milk, packed with potassium and iron, and antioxidants. Moringa is bursting with them, fighting off harmful free radicals. And it's a complete protein source, with all 9 essential amino acids. Moringa is a superfood in every sense of the word. Let's talk about boosting your immune system. Moringa is a secret weapon for your immune system. It's loaded with vitamin C, which boosts immune defense. Moringa also has vitamin A, E, and zinc. Its antioxidants reduce inflammation and support immunity. Moringa is your natural comprehensive immune support. Stay healthy and full of energy with Moringa. Who wants glowing skin and luscious healthy hair? I know I do, and I bet you do too. Well, get ready for this, because Moringa is like a beauty treatment from the inside out. The same incredible nutrients that boost your health also work wonders for your appearance. Let's start with your skin. Moringa is packed with antioxidants, which, as we know, fight off free radicals. These free radicals are notorious for causing premature aging, wrinkles, and dull skin. By neutralizing these damaging molecules, Moringa helps protect your skin cells, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Plus, the vitamin C in Moringa is essential for collagen production. Collagen is the protein that gives your skin its elasticity and firmness. And it doesn't stop there. Moringa also contains vitamin A, which is crucial for skin repair and maintenance. Now let's talk hair. Dream of having stronger, shinier, and faster growing hair? Moringa can help make that a reality. The vitamin E content also helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing the hair follicles and promoting healthy growth. Alright, let's tackle a topic that's on a lot of people's minds: weight management. If you're looking to shed some pounds or maintain a healthy weight, listen up, because Moringa might just be the surprising ally you need. Now, I'm not saying it's a magic pill that will make you lose weight overnight. Healthy weight loss always involves a balanced diet and exercise. One of the key ways Moringa can help is by potentially boosting your metabolism. It contains compounds, particularly chlorogenic acid, which has been studied for its effects on fat metabolism and blood sugar regulation. Moringa is also incredibly nutrient-dense but low in calories. This means you're getting a massive dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without adding a lot of extra calories to your diet. Another fantastic benefit is its fiber content. While not super high in fiber compared to some other foods, the fiber it does contain can contribute to feelings of fullness and satiety. Furthermore, Moringa can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's about creating a supportive internal environment for healthy weight. Okay, this next benefit is huge, and it's something that affects so many of us: inflammation. Whether it's joint pain, muscle soreness, or just that general feeling of puffiness and discomfort, chronic inflammation can really impact your quality of life. Moringa contains a range of potent anti-inflammatory compounds. The main players are believed to be isothiocyanates, flavonoids like quercetin, and phenolic acids. These substances work at a cellular level to inhibit the production of inflammatory enzymes and signaling molecules in your body. Many chronic health conditions, from arthritis and heart disease to even some types of cancer, have inflammation as a common underlying factor. By incorporating moringa into your diet, you could be helping to reduce this systemic inflammation, thereby potentially lowering your risk of these conditions or alleviating some of their symptoms. Athletes and active individuals, listen up. The anti-inflammatory properties of moringa can be incredibly beneficial for muscle recovery. Even for everyday aches and pains, moringa can offer relief. It's a powerful reminder that nature often provides the best solutions for our health challenges. Let's talk about your gut, guys. Digestive health is so important for your overall well-being. If your digestion is off, it can affect everything from your energy levels to your mood and even your immune system. The good news? Moringa can be a fantastic friend to your digestive system, helping things run smoothly and keeping your gut happy. One of the ways moringa aids digestion is through its fiber content. While we mentioned it earlier for weight management, fiber is also crucial for digestive regularity. Moringa also has a traditional use as a digestive tonic. Its natural antibiotic and antibacterial properties may help to inhibit the growth of various pathogens in the gut that can cause issues like diarrhea, gastritis, or other infections. The anti-inflammatory benefits of moringa extend to your digestive tract as well. Conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, colitis, or even just general gut irritation can be incredibly uncomfortable. A calmer gut is a happier gut, and moringa can help achieve that. Alright, we've talked about why moringa is so incredible, but now for the super fun part, how to actually get this miracle plant into your daily routine. You might be thinking, okay, it's healthy, but does it taste like grass? The amazing thing about moringa, especially the powder, is that it's incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into so many delicious foods and drinks. One of the easiest and most popular ways to use moringa powder is in smoothies. Just a teaspoon or two can blend right in with your favorite fruits, veggies, yogurt, or plant-based milk. But don't stop at smoothies. You can get really creative. How about sprinkling moringa powder into your morning oatmeal or yogurt? Or mixing it into salad dressings for an extra nutrient kick? I've even seen people add it to guacamole, hummus, or pesto for a vibrant green color and a health upgrade. For those who prefer a warm drink, moringa tea is a fantastic option. You can buy moringa tea bags or simply steep moringa powder or dried leaves in hot water. And let's not forget savory dishes. You can stir moringa powder into soups, stews, curries, or even sprinkle it over roasted vegetables or scrambled eggs. Its mild flavor means it won't overpower your dish, but it will secretly be working its magic, infusing your meal with incredible nutrients. So go ahead, get adventurous in the kitchen with moringa. Your body will thank you. Wow, moringa is an absolute powerhouse. From its ancient origins to its insane nutritional profile, it benefits your immune system, skin, hair, and weight. This plant is truly a gift from nature. I hope this opened your eyes to moringa's benefits. It's a lifestyle upgrade. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, smash that like button. Comment below if you've tried moringa or how you plan to use it. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay awesome.